Alright guys, so I've been skateboarding just in my yard, like trying to do tricks and stuff. So that's why I'm all sweaty and disgustingly sweaty, because it's very hot outside. But today, I remembered that I have a Go Kart that I built. I spent like $1,200 building this Go Kart, and it's just been sitting in storage in our backyard for like since winter time, and it's now September, so it's been like 9 months, I guess, and I have not driven it. So I figured, why not drive it again? Like, it was so fun, and they had the MotoGP, or not MotoGP, I don't know what it's called, the Formula One GP race today. Verstappen won, no surprise. He seems to be very hot right now, not in a gay way, just like race-wise. And so I was like, reminded me of racing. And so, you know what? What better way to practice racing than driving the race car you built for that exact purpose? So, yeah, we're gonna get out on the go-kart and actually race it for the first time since winter. It's been 9 months that it's sitting there, so hopefully it still works. I was gonna get a new brake on it, or I already ordered it, so that I can post it, because I think I'm just gonna sell it, because on to bigger things. You know, I think I'm gonna mod a car for my next project. Like, the kart's fun, but I think I want to race something a little bit bigger, a little bit faster, a little bit cooler, you know. But we'll see how it works out. Maybe I won't sell it. Maybe it'll just be such a beautiful feeling racing it again that I just won't want to sell it. Who knows? That could very well be possible. Point is, the brake is ordered. My brakes currently are absolutely garbage. They're like worn all the way down from the guy that I bought it from before. And so we're just gonna drive around, slam the brakes, see what happens. Maybe I'll die. Who knows? Maybe a car will be coming, a deer will be in front of me, and I just can't move, and I can't stop. Who knows? But either way, it should be fun. If I die, at least it's a cool way to go out. Here it is, guys. This thing has genuinely been, look how overgrown it is. Oh my, the plants have genuinely grown into it. I mean, it's been here a while, but not like super long, and it's been covered, kind of. Oh, my biggest concern is actually the tire pressure. When tires sit, they get very bad. Here. Not very light, to be honest. All right, that was a little bit more difficult than I was expecting, but it was a beautiful day. We got it out, and the tires look okay. I don't think they're that low. Yeah, they're pretty sturdy. They're actually very pressurized. But if in case they weren't, if there's anything I learned from Forza, it's that lower tire pressure means less drifting, I think. Or more? Yeah, more tire pressure, more drift. Do we want to drift? No, we want to race. So we're chilling. But yeah. I'll show off like a little bit of what I built here. So I bought the go-kart in Montana, and I live in Idaho. It was it was a whole day journey. But I built this whole steering system and I welded these on, as you can see. This is the first time I ever learned to weld. Was in like 20 minutes, and then I did all of it. This whole plate I had moved, sawed everything off, and basically put it all back together. This seat I put on, I bought new. Moved the whole steering wheel to the middle. Took off the engine, put it back on a bunch of times. And put this here was a bit of an issue. The brake thing, I had to weld that back together. Looks like it's rusted now. None of this rust was here, just so you guys know. This was not rusty before. But it should be fine. I mean, it's not like it's gonna be a problem. This also, the throttle cable, had to weld all that and stuff, but it's looking good now, because I had to re-lengthen the throttle cable. We just lengthened the bar, because I lengthened the cart right here, actually. This whole bar was new. I lengthened it like about 1.5 feet, kind of. just so I could fit on it. But yeah, it's pretty sweet. So we'll see if it will actually start. Wouldn't be too surprised if it didn't. Bruh. We got tape, bro. And you're probably wondering, well, why do you need tape? Because I don't have a GoPro. And I don't have a mount for my Go Kart. So I'm taping my phone somewhere. I don't know where. We're gonna figure out some place to put it. It's far later. My phone had died, so it's like, I don't even know what time now. It's like 6 or something. Still pretty light out. The sun's actively setting, but we're gonna start this bad boy and set up a camera so you can see, you know. It'll be beautiful, just believe me. This light does not work. It didn't even work when I bought it. They just had it on there. But it seems like a pretty perfect spot to mount a camera, so probably just slap it right on top there. This seat looks disgusting, so luckily I'm not wearing any nice pants or anything. Hopefully it starts again though. I didn't think about how much this camera would shake, bruh. We're just gonna have to work with whatever this looks like. I got about 2 seconds in and my phone completely flew off, so don't use duct tape, guys. It does not work at all. We're just gonna leave that there. I'll just hold my phone. I don't mind. It's absolutely amazing, bro. This is what life is all about. Chasing after this guy, his truck. Yes, bro. Oh, man. I think I'm going to slow to a little bit of a stop here. It's on the side of the street. It's very loud still. But it's beautiful, bro. This thing is actually amazing. It's so fun, bro. Like, this is what life is about, bro. Like, it's probably burning through so much gas, I can smell it, bro. It reeks of gas. Bro, listen, this thing is amazing, bro. Genuinely, this is my lover. I absolutely adore this thing, bro. I just forgot how fun it is. Like, it's definitely loud. I probably woke everyone up in my neighborhood. I don't know why anyone would be asleep at like 5 or 6, but it's beautiful. I gotta get some drone shots. If I can get the drone out and working, that'll be pretty sweet. And race somebody. I need someone with a go-kart. Hey, if you live nearby, Sanborn, Idaho, and you have a go-kart, hit me up, bro. Let's race. Let's race, bro. I'm gonna smoke you. This thing don't miss. All right, guys. I think I'm gonna turn around. It's looking beautiful out here, though. Look how gorgeous. Yeah, we're gonna flip a U-turn. Go back home. I'm running out of storage now. If I can make it. Just barely. I just almost died. That was very, very close to me dying. How about let's keep both feet back here? My front tire is wobbling. That's not good. Fine. Start slowing down here. Well, that was an absolutely fabulous time, even though I almost killed myself. I absolutely love racing. Love the go-kart. You know, hopefully I can get into some totally legal street racing that's definitely legal and not illegal. Because, like, I would never break the law. Was that believable? But yeah, once again, I mean, if anybody has a go-kart and you're around, I mean, I'm down to race, bro. I mean, I'm obviously going to win, but, like, it would be fun to at least try. Like, you can try and beat me, but, and yeah, in the future, looking to, probably sell the cart, buy a new car. I have my eye on one right now, so maybe, I mean, if I end up buying it, it'll be in a future video. But, yeah, hopefully it's a good car, it's a good purchase. Maybe that'll work out, because this is a car I could absolutely, you know, love. And just mod it all I want, and I would not feel bad at all, because, like, I wouldn't devalue it. This is a car, like, I would run into the ground. So who knows, maybe it'll work out. Maybe the train will stop honking its horn when I'm trying to do my outro. That would be very nice. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. It was definitely a ton of fun riding the cart. Hopefully we can do some more interesting videos around the cart in the future. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.